Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of low battery please start engine message. So if you own Jaguar or Land Rover and you have this message, what you need to do, you need to disconnect negative cable of the battery for at least 30 seconds and then connect it again, and this message should disappear. Now, this is gonna help me because I know I have brand new battery in my vehicle, so it looks like just the BMS didn't reset itself, so computer still thinks that the vehicle has old and bad battery. So like I said, I'm gonna disconnect negative cable of the battery and let's see if this message will disappear. Now, if you're not sure how old is your battery or if it's good or not, and you have this message, first you need to test your battery. Because also, if your battery is bad or it's not fully charged, you're gonna get this message. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share, and support my channel, so you can see a lot of useful information related to automotive world. To access the battery, you will have to open the lift gate and remove this cover and then remove your spare tire. To remove spare tire, turn this counterclockwise, and when this is out of the way, you can just take the tire out. When spare tire is removed, you have access to your battery, and your negative cable is on the left hand side, and you need 10mm socket or wrench to remove that nut and disconnect the negative cable on the battery. I'm using small ratchet and 10mm deep socket, and I'm just gonna loose this nut and remove cable. Want to make sure it doesn't touch negative pole. Put it on the side and wait for about 5 minutes, and then reconnect it again and see if that message is gonna disappear. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna put this negative cable back on. Alright, I tighten up that nut. Okay, I just got inside the vehicle. So far, there is no message. I'm gonna start the vehicle. I left my boot open. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Usually that message would appear instantly every time when I open the door and sit in the vehicle, and it looks like the message is gone. So like I said, if you know that your battery is good condition, newer battery, and you're having this message, simply disconnect negative cable on the battery, disconnect it for a few minutes, reconnect it, and this message should disappear. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.